Kiddo Colors. Today we will draw and color alphabets Y, Z. Are you ready? Now let's get started together. Before we start drawing, let's learn color names first. Light green color, red color, light blue color, purple color, dark green color, brown color, yellow color, orange color, pink color, red color. Amazing kids! Now let's start drawing together. First we will draw capital Y. First we will draw two short slanted lines, left and right. Join with a vertical line. This is our capital Y. Kids, this is our capital Y. Now let's draw capital Z. First we will draw horizontal line on top and then draw diagonal line down, left to the bottom. And then again draw horizontal line on left to the right. This is our capital Z. Kids, this is our capital Z. Splendid! Now let's color the alphabets. Our capital Y is white. Kids, this is white color. Our capital Y is white. Amazing kids. Our capital Y looks beautiful. Now let's color the capital Z. This is light green color. Our capital Z is light green. Well done kids. Our alphabet drawing Y, Z is complete. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Kiddo Colors for more fun drawing and painting videos. See you in the next fun drawing. Keep drawing, keep learning, keep smiling.